All right, good morning guys. So today I want to show you guys how to test for a blown head gasket. So I have two vehicles here, one an 02 F-150 and a 2000 CRV. One of these has a blown head gasket and one of them does not. So I'm going to show you guys using combustion leak test fluid and this tester how to check for a blown head gasket. So let's get the hoods open and get it checked out. All right, so I'm gonna start with the F-150. So basically the whole concept of this idea is that you have this fluid, which is dark blue, and basically what you do is you put fluid into this vial up into this line, and then you suck up fumes rather into this vial. Fumes from the coolant reservoir or directly from the radiator. If there is any combustion, exhaust, or anything like that detected, basically you're getting any exhaust fumes into the cooling system, then this dark blue liquid is going to turn yellow, indicating a blown head gasket or a cracked head. But either way, it's not good. So I'm going to demonstrate on this F-150 first. Ideally, you want to do this with the vehicle warmed up, to operating temperature, or at least pretty close to it. Depending on, if the head gasket is blown, depending on how bad it is, that may or may not be possible, but that is the ideal situation. This truck is warmed up, so let's get started. I'm going to pour the fluid. I'm going to open up this top and pour the fluid up to the line, and then we'll get started testing it. All right, so I've got the fluid in here. You can see it's blue. The engine is running. The cap is off. So I'm gonna stick this here and I'm gonna begin absorbing fluids up into the little vial. What I do on this test is I normally put the liquid in the top, because that way if by chance I accidentally suck up any coolant into this bottom part, it's not going to contaminate the fluid, and I can simply just dump it out without having to change the fluid. So basically you want to do this for about a minute or so. And if the engine's relatively warm and you're doing this for about a minute or so and the fluid still remains blue, then you should be good to go. So let's come back after a minute and just make sure. All right guys, so I've been doing this for about a minute or so, and the liquid is still blue. It's still the same color basically as when we started this whole test. So I'm gonna say that we've passed. And in fact, I know for a fact, this is my daily driver truck. I know that the head gasket's fine. There's nothing wrong with it. So this was just to show what it looks like if you're testing a vehicle with a good head gasket. So now let's jump over to the CRV and see what we have. All right, so I got the CRV running. Radiator cap is off. So I went ahead and I changed out the liquid just so we could start from zero. And so I put new fresh liquid in here. This engine is cold. It hasn't been running for long, but let's go ahead and test it and just see if we get any results here. So I'm gonna go ahead and start sucking up fumes, and let's see if anything happens here. Well guys, it didn't take long at all. It didn't take long at all to show that this liquid went from blue to kind of a greenish yellow pretty quickly. And this is not something that you want to see on your car. In fact, I know for a fact that this thing has a blown head gasket, so you know, with this result, now we know for sure. So at this point, you know, we have three options: either get rid of the car, fix it, you know, fix the head gasket, or in some cases, you know, replace the engine. So just wanted to show you guys. I may make another video in the future of what exactly it means that the head gasket is blown. Basically, you know, you're getting exhaust into your cooling system from the engine, and so this vehicle, it overheats pretty quickly. So I went ahead and shut it off because I don't want to leave it running for a long time with a blown head gasket. But in this particular case with the CRV, the engine actually starts and runs, and it runs seemingly fine. The only symptom is overheating after driving it for a while. In some instances with a blown head gasket, you may get a vehicle that that won't even start at all. Maybe the compression in the engine is low or something. That could be caused by a bad head gasket too. But in many cases, you know, you'll have a vehicle that continues to run and drive, it just overheats. And if that's the case, then a test like this will prove whether or not the head gasket is bad. That way you don't waste your money on unnecessary parts and repairs. You can get straight to the source of the issue and figure out what's going on. If the head gasket is blown to the point where the car won't even start, then, you know, you may have to do a compression test, pull out the plugs and do a compression test and that sort of thing. But that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to show you guys this test, and I'll link in the description below where you can get one of these. This particular tool, I got it off of the Cornwell tool truck, but I have another one that I got on Amazon. This fluid I actually got from Harbor Freight, so so you guys can get it from places like that. So thanks for watching.